What is in your mouth? Huh, Ikaw? What is that? Did you get some potato? What is that in your mouth, huh? Are you trying to dig some potato in my garden? My purple potato right there. That's why you guys like in my garden, because you did something wrong here.
Go on the other side. Hey, Goose.
Come here, buds. Ikaw is eating some potato, buds. You did not give up. I mean, the potato is hard. Get some carrots here. We have small carrots. Come on, ako. Ako. Come. Ako. You don't want it? Come here, ako. Come on. No? Well, Ikaw is very, very good. Still eating. Right there, my purple potato. He's eating my purple potato. You want to have some carrots? Ako, you want some? He's still going. They're fun. Yeah, but we have to watch them all the time because they are making a mess in the garden. Yeah, that's a carrot. They're going somewhere again. Not sure. So this is my garden look like. It's very fun. I just went here and then get some potato, carrots, parsnips, peas, Swiss chard, kale, some beans, some onion leaves, beets, simpleng buhay. Very fun. Ay, wala ba gihapon na nimo mahurot ako? They're still eating. Sila kada. Still getting. Asa man ka padulong? Ikaw mao dai na sige mo ngali sa garden na ho ha kay mangawat dai mo kanang nay mga vegetables. Kamong duha na adubuhon jud mo na ho. Pasaway mo permanente kay maglagot ka ni ko maadubo jud mo na ho kalit. Ala sige adubuhon jud mo na ho. Nalami ra ba ko mo adubuhon ingon sila. Na adyo ka jud mo pag siniaw kay maadubo jud mo na ho gahat. Ayaw pag pangawat sa hong garden. Na, adyo lagi pangawat. No, lakaw na. Dito. Lakaw. Lakaw, move na. You already get some purple potato of mine. Go. Go na. Lakaw na. Don't go in my garden anymore. Go. Lakaw. Adyaw dito sa akong garden. Go. Adyaw na lagi sa akong garden. Go na. Go. Go. Go now. Go. 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 Go somewhere. Yeah. Go somewhere. Yeah. Go somewhere.